Well, that's orange, and we've seen this one before, but what we're going to do is we're going to tune it again because its ECU is dead. So new ECU, tune on the dyno, make sure everything's okay, and then fingers crossed it'll make some power again. Here we go. Well, orange Colt. and it made some noises and it spat some orange flames, which is colour coordinated, isn't it?
Yeah.
Well, there you go, Richard.
Orange Colt.
Yeah, orange Colt.
Orange Colt, lovely actually. I really like the colour, to be fair, it suits it. Hybrid turbo, Arashi hybrid turbo. We mapped this car previously, but the ECU went down obviously at some stage, so the gentleman's recovered it back down to us from Scotland. We've obviously fitted in his second-hand ECU, so obviously it needed retuning. I say it really needed retuning. We started obviously with the old file and put that back on for him, but we said obviously ideally we want to check it on the dyno, make sure it's safe for him, so everything's okay, just in case for whatever reason something's changed, or with a different ECU it needs a different duty cycle or whatever, you know what I mean? It was just best to double check it. He absolutely agreed. So he's brought it down, we put the file on, a little bit tweaking, it was a little bit down from where we were originally. We started around the 240 mark, just need a little increase in duty. I think I basically added about 5% in total, just to get it back to where the car was before. It was 266 and 249 foot-pounds, I think it was before, which is absolutely on the limit of the rods at 250. We've actually, to be honest, started scaling these back slightly.
Change of policy.
We didn't have necessarily any failures. Did have a couple that have failed when they've been driven really, really hard. So we took the decision as a company just to pull them back by another 10 foot-pounds and then see what we got. So this ran 260 today and
240,
241, I think it ran, or 242 foot-pounds. As close as we could get it, obviously, to that. It's a nice number at 260 and 242. I don't think personally it's worth pushing the limits of it for that extra 6 brake horsepower, in my opinion. So we're you know, as a company, we're going to stick to that from now on, which I think is more than good enough, and certainly they're quick in that form.
This is a quick car for sure. Yeah.
We've made revisions to the pops and bangs since previously this guy was here before, and when we've done it before, so we've done some more work on that. So I put the latest revision of that on for him as well. I'm sure he will love that. Yeah, I think it's ready to go back on the trailer and head its way back to Scotland.
Certainly is. I'll have to go and drag him out the pub now.
Yeah, should we have a look at the graph?
Come on then. Come on. So there it is, pretty steep curve, looking good. We finish on, as Richard said, 260 brake, 242 foot-pound of torque, 230 at the wheels. Well done, our Richard. Thanks for sticking around to the end of the video, guys. Terry's chocolate orange can be the Terry's chocolate orange.
Private joke.
Yeah, private joke can be the can be the code word. So Terry's chocolate orange, and we'll see you all on the next one, won't we, Rich?
We will indeed.
We will indeed.